We'll guide you through how to use the same WhatsApp account on two devices. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you need to go onto the second device you wish to go and add the WhatsApp account to. So this is the primary device, which has got like the SIM card in for this WhatsApp account. So come onto the second device, and then what you need to do is go and open up WhatsApp. So if you're yet to get it, go and get it and then open it up. So as you can see, I'm yet to set WhatsApp up. And then what we need to do is go and click on agree and continue. It's now asking you for your phone number. Don't go and enter it. What you need to do is go to the top right and click on the three dots, just like this. And you need to go and click on link as companion device. So click there. So what this means is that on this device here, we'll go and scan this QR code. And then what we can do is use our WhatsApp account on more than one phone. So all we need to do is on this device here is go and open up the settings like so. And then you need to go down to link devices and click on link a device. And you need to allow access to the camera. And I'll need to go and use Face ID to confirm it's me. And then what I can do is go and scan the QR code and it'll go and say logging in. And then as you can see, we've now gone and logged in, and we can go and see the chats on both screens just like so. And I can go and send a message from this phone here, for example. And then as you can see, it will go and appear on the other one as well. It's that simple.